Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Your host, Golden Zulu. So today we have one interesting discussion, rather example under poisson distribution. So the example that we have reads to say cars have been observed to pass a given point on a back road at a rate of 0.5 cars per hour. So find the probability that no cars pass this point in a 2-hour period. So we'll say that the probability of x equal to x is equal to the exponent of negative mu multiplied by mu, the exponent of x, where we have x factorial, where x can get any number such as 0, 1, 2, or any number you can mention depending on the scenario which we have been given. So when we are now dealing with the calculation of the poisson distribution itself, remember you need to understand what does this mu represent. So remember in our previous video we said that mu is equal to lambda times time, where lambda can take any form of per hour, per volume, length in unit. We mentioned that in our previous video. So they have told us to say that this lambda in this case is 0.5 and the time is 2-hour period, the one which we have been given. So we multiply this times 2. So immediately you multiply your 0.5 times 2, you get your answer to be 1. So 1 is our answer there. Then, so meaning the value of mu in this case is 1. But look at it, they're telling you to say find the probability that no cars, which means none of the cars was passing that particular point which they told us. So which means the value of x is equal to what? Is equal to 0. So the probability of x, where x is 0, is equal to, remember we are having this exponent, then the value of mu in this case is 1. The value for mu is 1, and we multiply with the mu being 1, and the value of x in this case is 0, and we say 0 factorial. Remember the x value was known to be what now? 0. Since the x value is known to be 0, and we know from mathematical laws that any number to the power 0 is 1, so 1 still remains this number. Then here you can punch shift exponent negative 1, and you get your answer to be 0.3679. And you know to say that 0 factorial is the same as 1, so we divide this expression with a 1. So the probability of x, given that x is equal to 0, 1 into this number is basically the same number to be 0.3679. So this is the value when no cars pass that particular point. Your host, Golden Zulu.